How to edit photos in CapCut PC. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's get straight on to the video on how you can edit photo. First things first, you want to import your photo. So in my case, I have simply added this video file, so I'll remove it. Then you can see drag and drop. You want to head into media and you can see import option. You want to click on it. Then you want to click on this import plus icon here. Then you can go ahead and select a particular picture that you would like to edit. For example, I want to edit this CapCut logo. I want to tap on open and open it. Now, so you can see my photo has been added. So you can drag it down below if you wish to edit it as a video file if you want to turn it. So you can see your image, right? Add it, and now you can go ahead and resize it. Down below you'll find aspect ratio option. You can switch to original. And now you can add animations. If you wish to add animations, you can adjust it. If you want to add certain features, you want to edit opacity, enhance image and such, you can do it right here. So this is how you can edit photos on CapCut PC. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.